Good morning children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. In this tutorial class, we will discuss about summer holiday homework, which is art integrated. So children, let me explain first what is art integration. You integrate art in your subject. How you will integrate art in your subject? Children, do you know some of you are very good in art, some of you are very good in craft, and some of you are very good in sports and all. So there are many ways to learning the things, learning the subject and learning the topics. Fine. So in the way of art, you can learn your topic very easily. So art integration, it means that you have to learn your topic by art, and you will make your project by the form of art. Fine. And how you will make your project? If there are, you have four subjects in your holiday homework. These are English, Hindi, Maths and EVS. In EVS, we are including Science and SST. Fine. So, here topics are given here. By the form of art, you will make your project. Fine. And you can also correlate your subject with another subject. Okay. So, this is the art integration. By the form of art, you can draw the pictures, you can make a project by the waste material, so you can easily get your topics. Okay children, and you also correlate your subject with another subject, like let's take an example of maths. If there is a topic that is shapes, fine. So two types of shapes are there: plane shape and that is known as 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Okay. So 2D shapes are plane shapes, in which triangle, rectangle, square and circles. And another one is 3D shapes like cone, cuboid, cube, sphere, etc. So if there is a balanced diet food pyramid, you will make in plane shape like triangle, and you will choose 3D shape like pyramid, you will make pyramid like cone. So you just integrate your maths with the science, because you are drawing the pyramid with the form of cone, right? So here we have English homework, that you will make poster of pronouns, and Hindi दिनों और महीनों के नाम, calendar and शब्द विचार. Okay. So in शब्द विचार you will make रेलगाड़ी. Fine. Now art integrated project of maths and science. Here in maths you will make fraction design or fish fraction art, and science food pyramid of a balanced diet and collage of different kinds of clothes. So this is your art integrated project of science and maths. So here we have first some example of design of fractions. Fine. You can see here design of fractions. Circle we have cut it in many parts. And a fish fraction art, again we have cut the circle in 1/4 and 1/8 part. Okay, look at the fish, there is jellyfish also, and 1/2 part, 1/3 part, and after that this is robot, shapes robot. Different shapes are there, plain geometrical shapes. Okay. And the next one is science. In science, this is food pyramid. It is not seen clearly. I'll explain it in the next topic. Right. First, we will discuss about the fish fraction art. Okay. Okay, children. Let's move on to our first activity, maths activity, that is fish fraction design. Okay. So here I have some marriage card. So these are useless. So I'll make first fraction design from these cards. Okay. So first of all, I'll cut these cards into circles like this. I have already cut it. Okay, different circles I have cutted the cards here. You can see. You can take any round object or a bangle or compasses you can take, then any radii 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, then you can cut the circle of different colorful cards. Fine. If you don't have cards in your homes, then you can use simple white paper, and then you can color it. Okay. So here I have already cutted the different circles, different shape, different radii circle here. Fine. Now I'll fold the circle into one half, right? I'll fold the circle into one half. It means that it is one half of a circle, right? This one. Fine. So this is one half of a circle. Children, whenever you will do the activity, sit with your parents, because you are using scissors also. So just cut it into two equal parts like this. Fine. Like this, you will cut the circle into two equal parts. Okay, now this is whole one circle and one half of a circle. So now I'll again fold it into two equal parts. Fine. Like this. And now I'll cut it again. So it's a semicircle, and it has also two parts. Now I'm taking another color, that is red. Okay, now again I'm folding it into one half. Now I'll cut it. Fine. So I'll cut into two equal parts. It means that one half of a circle, and here also I'll cut into the semicircle into two equal parts. Fine. So it is 1/3 of a circle. This is 1/3 of a circle, right? 1, 2, 3 parts, and here also. Now I'll again cut this semicircle into two equal parts like this. Now it is 1/4 of a circle. Fine. So I have cut it here lots of circle into many parts, like 1/4 of a circle, 1/5 of a circle, 1/6 of a circle, different colors. Fine. Here 1/8 of a circle. Now we will make a fraction design from these fractions circle. Okay. Now we will make a design over here. So let's start to making a design. Fine. First of all, I'll take, if you have origami sheet, then you can use, and if you have old scrapbook, then you can use a page of that scrapbook. I have a old scrapbook. I'm using its page, and you can use A4 size sheet. Okay. So I'll use this page of scrapbook. So this is first one. This is useless. This is old one. So I'm using this, and I'll make fraction design on this page. Okay. So let's start. First of all, I'll put the 1/4 part or circle like this. This one, and this one, like this. I'll arrange all 1/4 part of a circle. After that, I'll use that red color, and I'll put here the red color. Okay, fine. Here I'll put the red color here like this, and the another side also like this. Now in here I'll put another red color here also. Okay, now all the sides I'll put the red color, 1/4 part of a circle. Okay, so look at this, it is looking a beautiful design. Now that white color, I'll keep this white color here. Okay, like this. Fine. No, I'll keep this white color here like this. Okay, now I have small pieces of colors here. I'll put the 1/8 part of a circle here like this, and another one is this one, and here. Okay, the back side of red, I'll use red, and here. Okay, so look at this. Fine, this is looking very nice. Okay children, now look at here. This is looking very nice. Okay, very nice design it is. It is a fraction design. Now with the help of these fractions, circle fractions, we will make a fish. Okay, fish and octopus and fish design. Fine, fish fraction art we will make with the same semicircle or 1/4 part of a circle, 1/8 part of a circle. We will make a fish. So look at here, I have 1/2 of a circle and 1/3 part of a circle. Now I'll arrange the circle like this, and here this one, this is a face of a fish, and after that I have the golden sheet here. Then I'll fix the golden sheet here. First I'll keep fish here, then I'll put the golden sheet here. Now I'll make its fins, and here both sides I'll arrange the fins. Now children, I have googly eyes. Fine, if you don't have googly eyes at your home, you can make eyes with white paper and black paper or sketch pen. Fine, I have googly eyes, so I'm putting a googly eye here. This is eye of a fish. It's looking a fish, very beautiful fish. This is 1/2 of a circle. These 1/4, this is 1/3, and this is 1/8 part of a circle. Right, now we will make an octopus here. So this is a face of an octopus. First of all, I'll putting here 2 googly eyes. Fine, so these are the eyes. Okay, now here 1/8 part of a circle. These are the arms of a, sorry, this is not octopus, this is jellyfish. Fine, arms of a jellyfish. Fine, like this you can arrange the arms of a jellyfish. Okay, so it's a jellyfish. Fine, in this way you can make jellyfish. So let's make one more fish. So children, look at here, 2 fish are there and 1 jellyfish is there. Fine. So in this way you can learn the fraction. So you can use the art integrated, right? Some of the students are good in art and some of you are in good in craft. So you can learn and you can use many things by drawing, by art, right? So in this way you can learn fractions. Okay, now move on to the next subject, that is EVS, and EVS we will include science and SST. Okay, so here we have two topic. The first one is wait this is fraction we have done, and the fraction is next chapter, and we have not completed this chapter, we have not done this chapter, this is our next chapter. So we will do it later on, but this you have learned also in your previous class, right? In third class you have already familiar with the fractions, so you know that how to draw a circle, you also know about to drawing a circle and how to draw a circle and how to divide into 2 equal parts and 4 equal parts. So this is the topic fractions we have made, fish fraction art and fish design. So this is your homework, you will also made this one. Okay, you can make fish fraction art and design, इन दोनों में से आपको one choose करना है. And the next topic is that is geometrical shapes. Okay, basic geometrical shapes, that is the next topic. Okay, with geometrical shapes we will make a shapes robot, and aim of this art integrated project is to learn about basic shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, circle, and then make a robot from basic shapes. So children, you can see here basic shapes. These are rectangle, square, triangle and circle, right? And let's learn its properties. Rectangle properties. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides of rectangle are of equal length. And the square properties. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides of square are of equal length, right? Now next is triangle properties. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Sides of triangle may or may not be of equal length. Okay. Now circle properties. A circle has no sides and no corners. Here no sides and no corners. Fine. So children, things we required for making a robot. Here white chart paper or white sheet. If you have white sheet, then look at the other things, and then let's start the activity, right? Okay, so at first we will take a yellow sheet. If you have white, then you can choose any one. Take orange sheet, sorry, this is orange one, and 6 centimeter of a circle. And you can take a round object and a small 3 rectangles. Fine, 2 circles and 3 rectangles. Now cut it down. After that, I have chosen the blue sheet. Then cut out rectangle of 8 multiply 14. It means length and breadth, and a circle of 2 radii. Children, if you have a round object, then you can use it also. Now draw and cut 2 rectangles and 2 triangles of a red sheet. Fine. And after that, 2 rectangles, 2 triangles and 2 small rectangle and 1 circle. Fine, the same sheet here. Okay. Now let's take another sheet that is green in color. You can choose any color. Fine. Here 2 big rectangles and 2 small rectangles. Now cut it down. Now we have shapes here. Look at these shapes. You can make your own length and breadth, you can take own length dimensions. Fine, let's make robot. First we will choose a white paper. We will select a white paper, and then at the top we will write shapes robot. Fine, this is our art integrated project, so we will write here shapes robot. And after that we will first uh, assemble its face, square, and then neck, small rectangle, and the big rectangle. This is its face, and then we will draw its eyes, and after that we will draw its mouth. Fine, in the next we will draw its mouth. You can see here we will draw its mouth. This is its mouth. Okay, so next we will paste its hands and its legs. Okay, so here its legs, and this is hands, circle, rectangle, this is big rectangle. So here our shapes robot, we have also decorate it with this triangles and buttons. If you have buttons you can decorate, if you have another thing for decoration you can decorate. Now this is shapes robot, and these are the basic shapes: triangle, circle, square, and rectangle. So you can easily learn how to make a robot. So children, let's move on to the next subject, that is EVS, Environmental Science, in which we will discuss about, we have two subjects, we are including two subjects over there. One is science and another one is SST. Okay, so this is the chapter food and digestion we have done in our syllabus. So in this chapter we have already learned about the nutrients, digestive system of a human body, and balanced diet. So we will make a food pyramid of a balanced diet. Fine. So children, if you have any carton, any shoe box, and any empty box at your home, and a mobile phone box, so you can make food pyramid by these waste materials. Fine. Because the pandemic time is going on, the lockdown is going on, so you can't go to market purchasing things, so you will do your activity with waste materials. Everyone has waste material, like some cartons and some waste papers, CDs, at your home. So you can use these kind of things to make your project very innovative and very attractive. So here we have food pyramid of a balanced diet. So you need to be for making the food pyramid, you need to be a carton box and some pictures of nutrients, and you can draw the picture also. If you have not pictures, so you can draw the pictures also, and scissor and glue. Okay, so here I have already made a balanced diet pyramid here. So let me show you the balanced diet pyramid. So children, here you can see a food pyramid of a balanced diet. So you have to make a project on it. Fine, I have used a mobile phone box to made it. So here you can see the last at the bottom, this is carbohydrate, and then proteins, and then minerals and vitamins. After that, fats. At the top, this is the food pyramid of a balanced diet. Okay. Look at this. So I have pasted many pictures of different kinds of nutrients in this pyramid. Fine. So here at the bottom we have carbohydrates, then proteins, then minerals and vitamins, and after that fats. It means that carbohydrate we need in much quantity, and after that proteins, after that minerals and vitamins, And then last, fats. Fats we need in very less quantity because the group of food that keeps our body warm, these are known as fats. So this we need it in very small quantity. So this is a food pyramid of a balanced diet. And you know what is a balanced diet? The meal or diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportions to keep our body healthy and fit is called a balanced diet. Right, it means that all the nutrients that are fats, minerals, vitamins, proteins and carbohydrates needed in a right proportions, that is known as a balanced diet. So here the example of carbohydrates: rice ball here, potato, rice again here, and here proteins, pulses, meat, and minerals and vitamins, fruits and vegetables, milk, okay, and fats, oil and ghee. Fine. So like this you can make your project on food pyramid of a balanced diet. Okay. So children, this is the left part of mobile box. The half part I have used, and this part you can use to making the food pyramid. I have cutted the box all the edges, 3 edges. Then I'll cut this edge also. Fine. Whenever you use the scissors, you can sit with your parents. Fine, because this is sharp object. So just sit with your parents. Now join both the sides. Fine, this is looking like a triangle. Okay, now you can cut the rest of the part, this side and this side. Now join here the another part, this one, and then cut it or fold it like this. Okay, now paste it with glue, then wrap with it white paper. Okay, after wrapping it white paper, this will look like this. Fine. After that you can paste the picture of different kind of nutrients, and if the pictures are not available at home, you can draw the pictures, because you have learned about the balanced diet and nutrients, so you can draw these pictures very easily. Fine. And then label the pictures. What is carbohydrate, proteins, minerals, vitamins, just label it, and after top of the picture on your project you will write food pyramid of a balanced diet. Fine. When you will draw, after that you just color the white paper with black. Fine. The white paper you can color with black. Okay. So this is food pyramid of a balanced diet. So our next activity is make a collage of different kind of clothes wore in India. Fine. हमारे इंडिया में पहने जाने वाले डिफरेंट स्टेट में जो क्लोथ्स पहने जाते हैं वो आपको उसका एक कोलाज बनाना है. जैसे एग्जाम्पल पे मैंने यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा बनाया है. So here you can see lehenga choli, kurta pajama, sari. So you will also make the clothes with the help of these cards. Marriage card I have used over here. So you can use these cards and draw the picture, then paste and make a beautiful collage. At the top of the collage you will write the art integrated homework. You can correlate this also. This is clothes. This is our next chapter in science. But you can also correlate this with your SST. Fine. SST. In SST we have also clothes, different states, which kind of clothes they wear, like Gujarati wear what? Kurta pajama gents, right? And Punjabi girls wear suit, right? And like this you can draw many picture and you can make a beautiful collage of different kinds of clothes. I have pasted here gloves and cap also. Fine. Understood, students? So this is all about your art integrated holiday homework. and you will do it in very good manner, neat and clean manner. Fine. You can use only waste material, because the pandemic time is going on, the lockdown is going on. So stay safe at your home. No need to go to outside of the room or market to purchasing things and all. You can use the waste material. Fine. Best out of waste, you know that. So you can use the waste material to making your project very innovative and attractive. If you not have marriage cards at home, you can use old calendars, backside of the calendars, and then color it. I think color, you all have colors at home. Fine. So colored, and make your project very attractive and innovative. In this way you can learn about the clothes in science and food pyramid. If you will make that, you will know about the nutrients and the balanced diet. And in maths you can learn about the fractions, right? So see you in the next tutorial class after vacations. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.